Let's get this clear. A lot of you are not unattractive, you've simply been looksmaxing based on the male gaze. If you want compliments from gym bros, continue on the same path, but if you want to appeal to women, it's time to shift your perspective. I know the misconception is that women are infatuated with extremely jacked men like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. But times have changed. What women actually find attractive is a lean and fit and defined physique like Michael B. Jordan, David Gandy, and even Damson Idris. To achieve the ideal body from the female gaze perspective, you should focus on the golden ratio physique. That means keeping your shoulders 1 to 1.68 times wider than your waist. This will give you the correct look in comparison to a bulked up, jacked physique. Research supports this preference in regards to female attraction. The bear mode look like Gerald Butler in 300 is not going to cut it by and large. The next item is your facial hair. It plays a vital role too. Instead of a big, unruly beard, opt for a thick stubble. It indicates dominance and aggression, which women find attractive. Experiment with different beard styles that suit your face shape. One won't fit all. We know some people look bad with stubble and better with a big beard, but the general consensus is to keep a short, tidy stubble. That is the most attractive. When it comes to hairstyles, I suggest you follow the trends that women find appealing in regard to your phenotype. Look on Pinterest and Instagram for guys that look like you and add your own flavor. Try to exude the quiet luxury aesthetic. Let's get into fragrances. Avoid overly aggressive scents and opt for perfumes with floral notes that create a warm and inviting aura. Scents like Bon Perfumer 701 and Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille all strike the right balance. Don't shy away from jewelry. Women appreciate a man who can accessorize properly, implement rings, necklaces and bracelets, but keep it subtle and tasteful. You don't need to overdo it. Limit yourself to 3 rings at most, on one hand, 1 or 2 bracelets, and a couple of minimal chains. Obviously, you need to take care of your appearance, but there's countless videos on skincare, so I won't bore you with the details. The key is to understand the female gaze is what will raise your attraction. Bear that in mind and you're off to the races. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that notification bell to be updated when we drop the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.